How to add a poll to an Instagram reel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add a poll to an Instagram reel. But before I do, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, start posting the reel in the usual way. So once you're in here, start recording a reel. After you've recorded it, click on preview. And then click on the sticker icon in the top of the screen. Now here you can see one of the top options of the stickers is a poll. If you don't see this option, then you need to update your Instagram app to the latest version. I can see it, so I'm just going to click on poll. And here you have to ask a question. I'm just going to type a question. And next, you can change the responses. They're set as default to yes or no, but you can change them to whatever you want. After you've done that, click on done. Then click on next. And then share your reel in the usual way. And that's what it takes to add a poll to an Instagram reel. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.